welcome back to the channel. For those that are subscribed, thank you very much. For those that are watching, think about it. But if not, I hope everyone's enjoying the content. Right, today is a review for an acid testing kit for all your gold and silver, palladium, platinum jewelry. I'm going to show you what the kit looks like, tell you how much I paid for it, where I got it, and it's one for a specific UK market. So it's not the US ones that only test from 10 carat up. This is the UK acid testing kit that tests from 9 carat gold onwards. So let's have a look at the kit first and see what it says and how to use it. So first of all, why would you buy this kit? So this is a testing kit so you can test all of your jewelry, just like the jewelers do when you go to get something valued. Okay, it's how you check your gold, it's how you check your silver, and they use a different range of acids. So this is the jewelry that I'm going to be checking in my next video, but today is just about the kit. So I bought this kit off eBay. This is brand new. This is the first time I'm opening it. It cost £79.99p, and it assay tests the set most used by jewelers. So it says it tests for base gold, so it affects your copper, brasses, nickel, tests on a 1p coin. It tests for 9 carat gold. So with other test kits, what you get is the acid, and what it doesn't react if it's gold, but it does dissolve it if it is gold, if it isn't gold, sorry. But what this test does, which I found really interesting, is it reacts either way. So if it is gold, it's like for the 9 carat, it says it leaves a light brownish stain through the colour, may alter if left. Palladium is slower. Base metals like copper, nickel and alloy show instant grey green reaction. So that's for 9 carat gold. So yes, it shows a reaction if it is gold and shows a reaction if it isn't gold. Whereas those other tests that you get on Amazon only show a reaction if it isn't gold. Okay, which is quite deceiving, because if you think about it, if your acid's out of date or not working, and you put a scratch test line of 9 carat gold out, and you know the acid isn't working, it's not going to react if it's not 9 carat gold, so you think it's 9 carat gold. Whereas with this, you get a reaction if it is gold and if it isn't. So that's 9 carat gold. 14 to 15 carat shows a quick brownish stain. Gold much lower will left for a moment, turn milky grey green. 18 carat gold, no short-term effect. Then you've got 18 to 24 carat gold and platinum. Then you've got silver. So silver says the liquid turns sterling silver a quick bright red. Lower grades of silver tend to darken quicker, and this is the premium kit. So there's plenty of instructions on there. It also comes with a leaflet. You've also got a locking key so it can't open in transit, and a clasp. It's very well built, very nice wooden box. So let's open her up and see what she's like inside. So as you open her up, you've got a nice piece of kit there. Now it's got a magnet on the side. Let's test that with a little pin. There you go, it says a magnet, so you haven't got to hunt around for your magnet if you're checking for magnetism. It's got a file at the back. So let's look at this in the light. So the file is there. So that's for filing off the bottom of the jewelry, so you're exposing the top layer of any potential gold, and then instantly you'll be able to see if there's a base metal underneath it or if it's solid gold, and if so you can test it directly onto the ring or directly off. So it comes with that file. All good. Now what else does it have? So it has, this is a test stone wrapped in oil paper to keep it fresh. So what you would do with this is you would place that down, take the paper off. Imagine you got the stone, you would scratch a part of the ring on, pour your test solution on. Mainly if it's gold, it will go a light brownish colour for the carat that you're testing, and if it's not gold, it will fizz up, go green, go grey, and do everything it's supposed to do if it's not gold. So let's have a look at the bottle, shall we? So we have sulfuric acid for your base materials. So this checks for the copper, nickel, tungsten, all that sort of stuff. Okay, and we've got our 9 carat reactant agent, nitric acid, 9 carat gold. We've got our 14 to 15 carat gold. What acid's that then? I think they're all nitric acid but different. Yeah, it's 47% nitric acid. The 9 carat gold is, so if you look at here, look, it's all nitric acid, but for 9 carat gold, it's 64% nitric acid. For 14 to 15 carat gold, it's 47% nitric acid. For your 18 to 24 carat gold, it is not telling me. Let me have a look. Probably nitric acid again. And then you've got silver. Okay. Doesn't say what it is, but this is for testing the silver. So you've got your 5 bottles there. So you've got your silver testing kit. Could be a bit clearer, to be fair. Silver, 18 to 24 carat gold, 14 to 15 carat gold, 9 carat gold, and your base gold metals. Now this kit cost me £79, 99p from eBay. It's from a company that's been doing it 30 years. I think it's the only company that sells the full kit like this for UK based markets, because all the ones you get on Amazon, like I said, only test from 10 carat up. A lot of the kits don't test for platinum or silver, just the gold. But this comes in a proper good kit, secure with a key, the file, the magnet, everything, you know, so you're safe in transit. What it also comes with is a sheet of paper, extra notes, how to use the test kit and everything else. It also says to replace all your acids within a year, after a year, for accurate results. So this is the stuff it comes with. If you want to read this information, just pause the screen so you can see what comes with it. But yeah, this is a review of what you get from the test kit. I'll be using this in the next couple of days, so look out for that video. We'll be testing fake gold and real gold, so you can see how it reacts for yourself. And take out the guesswork, and we'll learn together. So there's the kit there. And this is what we will be testing in the next video. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, that was a review of the acid test kit that I purchased off eBay a few days ago. Look out for the next video so you can see how it reacts with golds and silvers, and we'll learn together. It's my first time doing it. If you're new to the channel, I was a scrap metal man, plenty of scrap metal videos there, collecting scrap metal for money, and now I've moved on to gold and jewellery. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and bye.